So this here is the car I've been working on for the past month or so. I have been trying to get this thing barred. Well, that's the plan anyway, and it's all together now. This started out as a 1985 Toyota Corolla GT-S. This is my track car for a while, a play car for a long time too. It's been in my possession for 20 something years. So what I have here is it has a Honda S2000 engine, transmission. I just put in all the emission stuff. I had to cut a hole in the floor to fit the emission stuff for the gas tank. I have the battery relocated to the center of the car. It was in the rear and it was moved from the front. Extinguisher. Underneath the hood we have, all right, this mess here. I'm using a carb-legal K9 intake. Had to build a heat shield to keep the exhaust heat away from it. I was using weather stripping to keep it pushed up against the hood to keep the heat out. I had to move the radiator because of this intake, so I had to get a custom radiator. It's not custom, but it's actually a VW Sirocco radiator. Had to pretty much redo the entire upper radiator support. I'm now running the air pump, a lot of other emissions equipment, and everything now should be legal. I'm running cut S2000 radiator hoses on this radiator. It's both on the left side, the inlet and the outlet. Has a coolant temperature sensor as well installed, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I've been working on this for a while, like I said. Does have OBD port. I'm running AP1 ECU that my friend Todd passed on to me, along with the key. And like I said, it's been a track car, it's been fun, but now I'm trying to get it to pass bar and emissions in the state of California, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to be doing first startup in a minute. I just added about 4 gallons of gas, and we'll go from there. So I just hooked up the positive terminal to the battery. Battery should be good. We'll see. Just see, there's a, I don't know if you can tell right there, I have OBD port right there, OBD2 port, my ECU sitting in there. Most of the interior is still AE86, although it's been modified significantly. Neutral. I'm going to try to fire up. Gas has not been in this car for a while, so I need to prime. I hear fuel leaking. Let's check this out. Alright, trying to find this fuel leak. I'm trying to fire it up or prime it anyway. Clearly leaking from somewhere a lot. So I figured, I think I figured out where the leak came from. So I might as well show this off too. I cut a hole in the trunk area so I could fit all the emission stuff from the S2000 onto the tank of the AE86. I don't even know if the fuel level thing is working right now. It's still showing as low fuel. I did only add 4 gallons to an empty tank, so who knows. Looks like I have a leak coming from this line though. It's not tightened down yet. I do have fuel up here too. I probably should keep an eye on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to tighten these up, and then I'm gonna try firing up again. Looks like the fuel leaks are sorted. I think I can probably fire up. Alright, so you can hear the fuel pump going. Cars are neutral. Let's fire up. Check engine lights on though. I'm gonna run it. Let's just go straight for 6. That's good enough test. I wonder if the fan kicked on. Wheel still spinning? Yep.